Hey everybody, welcome to week 10 of class. This week we are going to be looking at some different groups across the lifespan. So adolescents, young adults, and older adults, really looking at some of the diversity considerations within populations based on age. So let's do an overview of what we're looking at for this week. We are reading chapters 10 and 11 in our textbook, as well as the content that I posted below. We'll go over that. And then group D will lead us in our discussion this week. So I will do a separate video. I will do a separate video that talks about the assignment. So let's scroll down here and check out our week 10 Moodle book. So again, we're in chapters 10 and 11 of our text. So chapter 10 focusing on adolescents and young adults, and chapter 11, older adults. There's not a lot of supplemental content this week. Check out this brief video on unique vulnerabilities and treatment approaches when working with adolescents who have a substance use or addictive disorder. And then here are some optional recommended readings for older adults and treating adolescents with substance use disorder. They're optional because they're dated, so they're not as current as some of the other literature out there, but it's really good information. So check that out if you are interested. So our next steps and assignments for today, like I said, we're going to read that content that I just talked about, and then group D will lead us in a discussion post. So check out the video that is posted on this page for more information about completing the assignment this week. All right, thanks everybody.